all my friends, and me again, the great Countryman. Now, it looks like Castries has been quiet. It seems like I am doing my job. It seems like I am the Royal St. Lucia police. Maybe, I don't know. But, yeah, me have to stay up on top of them gangster and them bottom feeder and make sure the public safe. Now, this video here is a video I put up recently, but I had to chop it up and I'm putting it back up. Really and truly, the 6th gang has become a transnational gang, more than the 7th gang. And this video is very important to the public and law enforcement alike, so them can know what's going on. Them can't say Countryman never tell them. Now with that, let's go.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge you gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them I go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
By the 6th gang, look at that picture right there in front of you. You see 4 man there on that picture there, and that's a video live conference call with some member of the 6th gang. Now, me give you a little time to see if you can tell who them people is. You know what? Me I show you another picture. Look at this picture. Now, look at that picture. See me define it more for you. If you look to the top right, that Vashqueen. If you look to the bottom left, that Princess Swanny. If you look to the right, that Jarvis from St. Lucia. And if you look to the top left, Koolie from St. Martin. Now, I'm going to explain what we are looking at right here. This is a live video conference call with these guys. Now, this video call is very critical. You know why? This happened after Scarecrow, aka Kent, and Teletubby, aka Leanback, get shot. My intel has told me that this was some sort of a celebration of Teletubby and Scarecrow getting shot. So, long time ago, I was saying, you know, the 6th gang didn't have much influence in St. Lucia. But apparently, I have been debunked by this video call, live video conference call by Princess Swanny, Vashqueen, Jarvis, and the Koolie Dread. Now, I would like to pose a question about Princess Swanny, which I already know the answer. I'm not going to my answer. My answer is yes. Now, this is the question. Is Princess Swanny a leader in a transnational gang? These guys right here, you're going to call them the ASLYLUM gang because they're overseas pushing violence, and that is transnational. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.